Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we are going to dive into the crucial aspects of business planning, understanding your maximum profitability potential. Now, you might be thinking, profitability? Isn't it just about charging high prices and selling a lot of stuff? Well, it's a bit more nuanced than that. It's about understanding the factors that influence your earnings potential and creating a strategy and a strategic plan to maximize your profits. Okay, think of it like this. Imagine you're little Johnny and you're trying to figure it out how much money you can make with your lemonade stand. You need to consider things like how many cups of lemonade can you realistically sell in a day? What's the price per cup? How many days a week can you operate your stand? Are there any other factors that might affect your sales, like weather or competition? By carefully considering these factors, little Johnny can get a clear picture of his maximum profitability potential. Now, let's apply this to your business. Here's a simple formula to help you understand your earnings potential. Your maximum profitability equals the number of products or services that you sell times the sales price. Seems straightforward, right? But here's where it gets interesting. You need to break it down into different time frames. How much can you potentially earn in a single day? How does that translate to weekly earnings? What's your maximum monthly potential? And finally, what's your maximum yearly earnings potential? By calculating your earnings potentials across different time frames, it can set realistic financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Now, here's the key. This formula is not just about plugging in the numbers. It's about understanding the level that drives your profitability, okay? Like that levers. Think of like this. Imagine you're a massage therapist, okay? And you have a cozy studio. You're excited to get started and you start wondering, how much money can I make? Well, let's break it down. First, consider how much you can charge for a 1-hour massage. Let's say you decide on $60 an hour. Next, think about how many hours a day you can realistically dedicate to massages. Let's say you aim for 10 hours a workday. Now let's do some simple math here. If you charge $60 per massage and you work 10 hours a day, your maximum daily earnings potential is $600, right? 10 hours times $60 an hour. Now, if you work 5 days a week, your maximum weekly potential is $3,000. 600 times 5 days, that's 3,000. Assuming there are roughly 4 weeks in a month, your maximum monthly earnings potential is $12,000. 3,000 a week multiplied by 4 weeks. If you take a well-deserved 1-month vacation each year, your maximum yearly earnings potential is $132,000. $12,000 a month multiplied by 11 months in a year. So, based on those calculations, your maximum earnings potential as a massage therapist in this scenario is $132,000 per year. Okay? Now, here's the key. This formula is not just about plugging in the numbers. It's about understanding the levers you can drive profitability. So let's say you're not satisfied with the $132,000 per year. You can explore ways to increase your earnings potential. Well, maybe you can raise your prices. Maybe offer a premium package or specialized services. Maybe you extend your hours. Can you add an evening or weekend appointment? Maybe you can start adding by selling new products. Can you offer massage oils, right? Can you think of any other related items? By understanding the factors that influence your profitability, you can make strategic decisions to increase your earnings potential and achieve your financial goals. So take some time to analyze your business, calculate your maximum profitability, and create a plan to reach your full potential.